Welcome, today in front of me Realme GT 2 Pro, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and here you can see all the available and visible icons. To add some icons here, remove, or just to change their position, you should click here on the edit icon. Now just to add, for example, from this down section some icons, you should hold for a while and drag it here to this up section by this way. And if you want to just remove some icons from the notification panel, but the same way, hold for a while and drag it here to this down section. So as can you see, that's really simple. To save the changes, just go back, and now you can see here all of them. And just to change the position of the icons, hold for a while and drag it by this way. And as can you see, that's really simple. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.